In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new level in the Xsheet in OpenToonz. If you're new to OpenToonz, the Xsheet is the timeline of your scene. It's a grid that organizes drawings across time with frames going down and layers running as columns. Think of it as the control center for building your animation one level at a time. Start by opening the Xsheet in your workspace so you can see the grid of cells. If your workspace is customized, just make sure the Xsheet panel is visible. It's the view that shows frame numbers and columns. Once you're there, look for an empty cell. An empty cell is simply a space with no drawing or key set on that frame and column. Right-click on that empty cell to reveal the context menu and choose New Level. In OpenToonz, a level is a layer that holds a sequence of drawings. Creating a level here tells the software where your drawings will live and how they'll behave. Next, you'll pick the type of level you want. Choose Raster level if you prefer a hand-drawn, painterly feel and want to use bitmap brushes with natural texture. Raster is great for expressive line work and shading, but it's pixel-based, so scaling up can soften your lines. Choose vector level if you want crisp, infinitely scalable strokes that are easy to edit later. Vectors are ideal for clean line art, logo-style shapes, and precise animation, where you might tweak curves frequently. Choose Toonz level if you want the special raster format unique to OpenToonz. It supports traditional scanning workflows and powerful ink and paint features, while still behaving like a raster layer. If you're unsure, consider what matters most. Editability and scalability point to vector, natural brush feel points to raster, and classic ink and paint pipelines point to Toonz. After selecting the type, give your level a clear, descriptive name and confirm. A simple naming convention, like character action version, helps keep things organized as your scene grows. Avoid spaces or special characters if you plan to share files across systems. Underscores work well and keep names readable. Once you confirm, a new level appears in the Xsheet. You'll see it aligned with the column and frame you clicked. That level is now ready for drawing or animation. Make sure it's selected before you start sketching so your strokes land in the right place. From here, you can build your scene with confidence, knowing your artwork is structured properly inside the timeline. That's all it takes to create a new level in the Xsheet and set a solid foundation for your